Hey,
Are you ready to find some zen? Frantic energy is no good for anyone.
we're gonna teach you how to make a diffuser blend using essential oils that's both calming and energizing to create that peaceful, harmonic environment that you need.
So let's get started.
To make this recipe, we're gonna use our Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. We're going to need our labels and a recipe card. And we are going to be using all 4 oils that are in this box: cinnamon, lemongrass, energy, and sage essential oil.
And from your big bonus box, you're gonna wanna grab your 5 milliliter bottle so that you can diffuse it because we know you'll love it.
And from your home, you'll want to grab a diffuser. We're going to use a Simply Earth succulent diffuser that is so cute and will naturally diffuse these essential oils through evaporation. To make this recipe, we're going to add 1 drop of each of these oils, but 3 drops of sage. And there you have it. Smells really wonderful. To make a master blend of this, 100 drops fills a 5 milliliter bottle, so we'll use 16 drops of each of the oils except for sage. For that one, we'll add 50. All you need to do is add a couple drops and the oils are already mixed in. You can add more or less drops depending on the diffuser you're using and how strong you want the aroma to smell.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
You're gonna love learning how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity.
Thanks for watching.